Hi guys. Let's start with Zazzle. Zazzle, an online market of more than 300 million products, allows you to design your products using the images of well-known companies, Disney, Star Wars, Universal, Coca-Cola. Launched in 2005, Zazzle was first recognized as the best business model in 2007 and again in 2010. Based in Redwood City, California, Zazzle.com offers pod services, even with embroidery. To start with Zazzle. On Zazzle.com's page, search My Account and Public Products. Click Quick Creation. When the Configure Your Products window opens, in Choose Products to create, use the default settings. Choose an image then create products. Click on Customize. Adjust the position and/or size of the image until you obtain the desired result, then click Done. Click on Next, fill in the requested data. Do not forget to write a short description and put tags. Select Hidden in Product Visibility. Select Templates to reuse under Quick Creation options. Under Store Category, click New then Done. Choose a category that you like, name it, then add a new line of products. Put the royalty of this product, post it and that's all. Well done. You have your first creation there. You can use it as a template and you can access your template by going to Configure Your Products then use your own templates. That's all for today. See you in another video.